Well, good morning, folks. Murray coming to you from Ol'Reds Garage today. We continue to work on Ol'Red, particularly working on the carpet. We're going to lay down some sound deadener. This is EVA Sound deadener material. It's not very thick. It's pretty pliable. So I first cut a hole for the gear shifter on the floor. This is an automatic, but it's a floor shifter. I use this Max Strength by 3M glue to spray down. I used a whole can on the inside of this truck. So laid that material down, cut it several places so that it would actually lay in the crevices and the curves. A little more difficult than I expected, but there it is. The carpet's going to go on top of that. So also did a little project with my Milwaukee tools. I put up a pack out hanging station where I hang my 3/8 ratchet set. That socket set goes up to 1 inch. I also have a end wrench set. It also goes to 1 inch. And then a placeholder for some nuts, bolts, and fasteners. Down here there's a couple miscellaneous trays for things like tape measures and miscellaneous sizes of drill bits and Allen wrenches, gloves, tin snips, you name it, I've got it. So yeah, that was my little Milwaukee project for the day. So I also had a visit from one of my friends over across town here. He's the same guy that painted the inside of my house. I call him Painter Pete. So Painter Pete showed up to take a look at Ol'Red, and he brought over his little scooter. That's a 150cc scooter. He loves that thing. He goes everywhere on it. So there he goes.
See you, Pete. Take care. Come back and see us.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching Ol'Reds Garage Channel. Good day.